Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to upgrade your FreshBooks plan. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your FreshBooks account, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is how can you create an account on FreshBooks? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type freshbooks.com, and that's going to walk you right into this official website for FreshBooks. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in FreshBooks. Now we're here, let's quickly hop into the exact, and that is how to upgrade your FreshBooks plan. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have your profile name. So this is my profile name, and you have this extended options which include account profile, billing and upgrade, you have add-ons, you have refer friend, and you have logout. Now go ahead and click on billing and upgrade. That takes you right into the upgrade window. Upgrade today and don't pay until you fee your free trial ends. To upgrade to a paid plan to continue using all of FreshBooks great features. Your card will be charged until after your trial ends in 22 days. Need a hand, reach out to our award-winning support team here. Now you can upgrade to a monthly plan or you can upgrade to a yearly plan, and you have a lot of features for you. So if you set this to the monthly tab, you have these available. You have the lights, and that's like $19. You have the plus $33. You have premium $60, and you have let's talk. And let's talk, of course, that's not part of the plan. So you can click on choose plan. You have all of this available. So read all the things that you stand to gain. You have the plus plan, read all the things that you set to gain, and you have the premium plan. So anyone you want to choose, just go ahead and click on choose plan, or if you want to set it to yearly, you can click on yearly, and you have all of this prices available. So let's say I want to go for premium plan, and I click on choose plan. So here, add members to your plan. Of course, you have the leverage, so you can do that, and review. Now click on review, and so I can add this person. So this person has been added to my plan. So I can click on review and pay. So add your card number, security code, first name, last name, expiration date, billing address, and after doing that, click on update. And after that, that's it. You'll be able to pay for your new plan. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.